Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. While coming to the present content of the video, here assistant professor vacancies are announced from this college, that is Junjunwala PG College, Faculty of Engineering and Technology. Here the newspaper advertisement is there. Okay, so I will show you that newspaper advertisement. See guys, it is the thing. Junjunwala Group of Institute, Ayodhya, faculty requirement. Here the departments, designations and the qualifications are mentioned here. And this paper advertisement is published on the 21st October 2020. Okay, so why I'm telling the date of publication of this vacancies is that here eligible candidates can requested to submit their resume to the given email ID within 7 days from the date of publication. So here the date of publication is the 21st October guys. So till now the date is there. So if you are having any queries or the doubts regarding this faculty recruitment, then here the mobile numbers are given here and here the email ID is also given. So you may send your resume to this email ID guys. Okay, and whatever the departments are mentioned here, if you are not belongs to these departments, then please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments guys. Okay, and here the departments are civil engineering assistant professor BTech or MTech, mechanical engineering assistant professor BTech or MTech, and mechanical engineering workshop, some experience required, and BC assistant professor MC or MTech, and ANM GNM nursing tutor PSc nursing qualification, and DAP GNM Ayush assistant professor designation with qualification BAMS, and D Pharma assistant professor BM bachelor or masters in pharma, and mathematics assistant professor net with net or PhD, anything is fine. So the net qualified candidates can apply here to this one. And coming to the electronics assistant professor net or PhD, physics assistant professor net or PhD, and English assistant professor net or PhD, B.Ed assistant professor net or PhD. Coming to the chemistry assistant professor net or PhD. Coming to the B.Ed, here HOD or lecturer is required. So M.Ed plus some experience required. And coming to the zoology, assistant professor net or PhD. And manager administration, the designation is not mentioned here, it's nothing but a manager administration. The experience 8 to 10 years. Salary as per the norms, and whoever the eligible candidates are there, that means here the candidates without having the UGC NET qualification for the department civil, mechanical and BCA and ANM or the GNM, so these candidates can apply. But while coming to those departments, that is mathematics, electronics, physics, English, B.Ed, chemistry, so these candidates require the NET qualification or else a PhD qualification. Okay, so for more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is specially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020 guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there, that is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is AshwiniK, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, So apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay, so in my profiling that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC net electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET Electronic Science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET Electronic Science. Thank you, guys.